In this project, I am going to configure multicasting on internet, single multicast stream to multiple targets. So this is my diagram. Here router 1 connected to router 2 connected to router 3, and router 3 connected to the switch, and this switch here multicast video streaming server, multicast sender, and multicast receiver, multicast user PC. So this video streaming server will stream video, and this PC will receive. So this is the purpose, and this PC, multicast user PC, in this network, this one also will receive what this multicast video streaming server will stream to multiple targets. So at first I will configure router 1, then router 2, and router 3. And this is the IP planning. Router 1 to router 2, for this link I will use 2 IP from this IP block 172.16.12.0/24 IP block, and router 2 to router 3 from this block I will use 2 IP from this block 23.0/24 block. And in this switch network, this multicast video streaming server connected with this switch, also a multicast user PC. Here 172.16.2.0/24 I will use 2 IP for server and multicast receiver user PC. On the other hand, in this network, with this switch network connected to router 1, I will use IP from this IP block 172.16.1.0/24. So this is the, and multicast IP I will use this IP 239.1.1.1. So this is my plan. So this is, please, okay, please watch this. The same diagram. Okay, this multicast video streaming server connected with this switch, this network. Okay, so this is multicast sender, and this PC will receive, and over this network this PC will receive, and also if I connect other PC, then they will receive also. So this is my today plan in this project. So please follow next steps. So this is cabling plan. Router 1 port giga 0 to router 2 port giga 0. Okay, and router 1 port giga 1, router 1 port giga 1 to its connected switch. Okay, now router 2 port 0 to router 1 port 0, router 2 port giga 1 to router 3 port giga 1, router 3 port giga 1 to router 2 port giga 1, and router 3 port giga 1 to its connected switch, switch. So this is cabling plan. I have connected all cables according to my project plan. Router 1 giga 0 to router 2 giga 0. Router 1 port giga 1 to connected switch. Router 2 port giga 0 to router 1 port giga 0. Router 2 port giga 1 to router 3 port giga 1. Router 2 port giga 1 to router 3 port giga 0. Router 3 port giga 1 to connected switch network. And multicasting sender server connected with switch. It's in router 1 network, and also a PC, multicasting receiver PC, is connected same network, same server network, and this other network, one PC connected switch. So follow now next steps. I am connecting router 1 via console. So at first I will configure IP and other necessary commands. Okay, please follow. I have configured host name. This command for allow multicasting. In some Cisco devices, this command is only IP multicast routing, not distributed, and in some router and switches, it's IP multicasting distributed. Now, IP address. IP PIM pulse mode. This command for allow multicasting traffic. Interface gigabit 1. IP address. All I am configuring according to our plan and topology diagram. This command IPPIM, actually this command is for allowing multicasting on this Ethernet. In every Ethernet, I will configure this command. OSPF for internal connection of 3 router. You can use also IBGP, even static route, even RIP, even EIGRP, any. I am configuring just simple OSPF. It's just simple OSPF I am configuring for making connection of 3 router. Yes, this command IP address. Now I am configuring router 2. I have made connection with router 2 via console at first host name. IP multicast routing distributed. In some router, some switches, this command only IP multicast routing. I will configure a loopback of this router 2. IPPM sparse mode for allowing multicasting. IPOSPF 1 area 0. Now I am configuring gigabit Ethernet at 0 of this R2 router 2. Okay. In every interface I will configure this command. IPPM sparse mode. Okay, this is configuration what I made for gigabit Ethernet 1. And now OSPF. I am configuring a simple OSPF for interconnection of 3 routers, but you can configure EIGRP, RIP, even static route or IBGP. According to diagram, according to topology, I am configuring all 3 routers. Purpose of sending multicast video streaming traffic over network. IP prim IP address. This IP I have configured in loopback 2. Now I am configuring router 3. I have made connection to router 3 via console. Initially I have configured host name. Now I will configure Ethernet and commands for allowing multicast in this network. IP multicast routing. This is incomplete command, but for some Cisco iOS, this command is okay. Okay. See, in this router is in this iOS is command is IP multicast routing distributed. Now I am configuring IP addresses of Ethernet. Please follow steps, and if you have any question, then you can ask me in comment box. IPPM sparse method. Okay. I am configuring router 3, R3. Now simple OSPF. Single area OSPF. I am configuring this router by console. Now I will apply some show command. Some show command all of the router. Interfaces, line protocol up. Show interfaces summary. Yes, here tunnel. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment box. Here I see a tunnel 0. Okay, it's created, and this tunnel is up, and other all of interfaces up, all of IP interfaces up. This output of router 3. Router 1 tunnel up, tunnel 10.0 is up, tunnel 0 is up, and other all of interfaces, they are up, all of IP interfaces up, status up, line protocol up. This is R2. I have made a connection with router 2 by console. Show IP interface brief. Here tunnel is up, gigabit Ethernet up, 0 up, 1 up. So all is up. Here router 1, router 2. Yes, now router 2. This one router 1. This one router 1. This is router 2. Tunnel up. I have created loopback. And router 2. Tunnel is up. Router 3. This is IP interfaces brief of all 3 routers. Okay. I see that everything okay. This is output of all router 3. IP interfaces brief. Tunnel created. Pinging. Yes, it's pinging. Router 3. Router 3 2. Router 1 interface 172.16.1.1. I hope everything is okay. IP OSPF. The 3 router configuration is finished. So now I will install VLC. I will install BLC player in all three PC, in multicast sender server PC, multicast sender server, and multicast receiver PC also. Configuration is not same in multicast receiver PC. Their configuration is different than multicast server. I have installed BLC player in multicasting server, which connected on router 3 network, and also multicasting receiver PC. Now I am configuring BLC multicasting server. So click on all. Then next option is I am configuring BLC multicasting server. Here hop limit 50. Okay, save. Open network. Here RTP colon is not this one for BLC receiver. File, add. Now I will add video file, this video file. Okay, stream. Just I will click on I will click on stream. Next, here option is RTP MPG transport stream, then add. Okay, here the multicast IP 239.1.1.1. You can use 239.7.7.7 also. 239.1. Next, and port 5004. Okay, video. Yes, is MP3 plus MP3 MP4. Okay, output string. This is done. Actually, it's started multicasting a server. Now if I configure multicasting receiver PC, then they will get this multicasting. What this one multicasting, what server is multicasting. Okay, so now next step is I will configure multicasting receiver PC. I can use 1 PC, 2 PC, 3 PC, 4 PC or 100 PC. Actually this server is multicasting a movie clip. I can't watch this movie here, but when I will configure multicast receiver, then I can watch. I am configuring this PC as multicasting receiver. Here open network, then this IP 239.1.1.1 and play. Yes, now this PC
is getting multicast traffic. This multicast traffic is sending from the server. This server is connected with router 3 network, and this PC is connected on router 1 network. So this stream, this multicast packet is passing 3 router. I have configured all router and now it's working. Multicasting is working. And this film is sending or multicasting from multicast server. Just 1 minute ago, I have configured multicast server. The right laptop is multicast server. It's sending multicast to the network. So this middle one and left one is receiving traffic. The left one is connected router 1 network, and this laptop who is working as server is connected with router 3 network, and this middle one is connected on router 3 network. So this project is working and it's multicasting, sending and receiving both. Okay, so everything is fine. Thank you all.